Saddle your body for rest. Allow the mattress to receive you gently, just as the warm, moldable sand receives the sea. Close your eyes and give yourself permission to disconnect from the outside world. Imagine you are safe, resting peacefully on the shore of an immensely calm ocean. The sky above you is clear and full of stars. The sound you hear is the earth's natural rhythm, an ancient song inviting you to let go of the weight of this day. Here, facing the sea of your consciousness, there is nothing to solve, nothing to plan. There is only space to be. Your inner light glows softly in the center of your chest, warm and constant, like a safe beacon in the night, illuminating your rest. Bring your attention to your breath. Imagine that your breath synchronizes with the tide. When you inhale, the wave rises gently up the shore, filling you with calm and freshness. When you exhale, the wave recedes toward the horizon, carrying with it tension, noise, and accumulated fatigue. Inhale calm. Exhale tension. Follow this hypnotic sway. You don't have to force the sea. The sea moves on its own. Allow your body to be breathed by this natural and healing rhythm. Feel now a sensation of warm, crystal clear, relaxing water touching your feet. This water of light relaxes your toes, your insteps, your ankles, and moves gently up your calves. Feel your legs becoming heavy and relaxed, as if floating in salt water, completely supported by nature. The relaxation continues to rise, bathing your knees and thighs, releasing the large muscles, deactivating the effort of walking. It rises to your hips and lower back, dissolving any knots, any hardness you have carried today. The warm, luminous water envelops your abdomen and chest, softening your breathing and protecting your heart. Relax your hands, your wrists, and your arms. Let them float. Relax your shoulders, releasing the weight of responsibilities. Let them drop away from your ears. Relax your neck and your face. Soften your forehead and let your jaw loosen slightly. Your entire body now floats, weightless, on the surface of this calm sea. Listen to the sea. Sometimes, on the surface, there are small waves. Those are your thoughts of the day, your lists, your memories. They come and go. They make noise. They crash into each other, but you are not the waves. You are the deep ocean. Now, gently begin to sink. You decide to leave the noisy surface and slowly descend toward the blue, silent depth. Go lower. Feel how the water embraces and protects you. The noise of the waves fades away above, becoming a distant murmur. Down here, in the depth of your being, everything moves in slow motion. Everything is silence. Everything is peace. Thoughts may still pass up there on the surface, but down here, in your center, there is an immovable calm that nothing can touch. Rest on this ocean floor. Feel the total weightlessness. You do not need to hold yourself up. The ocean holds you. Your inner light illuminates this aquatic space, revealing that your essence is pure calm, transparent, and serene. Nothing can disturb the depth of the ocean. Nothing can disturb who you really are. Enjoy the enveloping silence. Float in nothingness. Deep, liquid peace. Just be, no doing. You are safe in your depth. The tide rocks you gently. It is time to sleep. Your body and mind are now one with the infinite calm of the sea. Silence is the main agent of sleep. Let yourself be carried by the gentle current into restorative dreams. Trust the depth. Sleep. Rest in your light. Good night.